Lottie. Today I'm gonna watch a fan video for Kitty Cat the Koopaling by Panchum Films. Enjoy the movie. So let's start off with Road Tom. So it prepares phase 2. Transition to the dog and a dragon-like figure called Discord. That's awkward. Wow. Poplio had crushed down a first servant? Oh, Poplio and Luigi there. Oh. What happened to Fozzie Bear's show from the Muppets? Wow.
Where are these guys from? Wait,
That's...
Handicap?
Is Handicap?
Nope. These are all FNAF characters from I've seen so far.
I don't know who that Discord is.
Oh, I think I know someone. Who's some like...
What is it?
Like very much.
Isn't that Kitty Cat the Koopaling? So, about Splatoon, Kirby, and Mario?
What do you mean?
Oh, that's kind of interesting.
With John and Dave, both of them are these aren't making any sense.
Lots of Kirby villains like Magalore, Taranza, or Susie.
That sounds very racist. Shut up!
Oh, that's a quite awkward relationship.
Wait, doesn't Panchum have a lab? Yeah, so what? Why don't we just use a laboratory and see whatever...
A laboratory?
Jeez.
What is a laboratory? And I could study about science?
I'm gonna go talk to him.
Wow.
Of course I can.
I don't know what the interrogation might be is. That is terrifying. Poplio was in bed, and the clown bear.
So you're trying to tell me
There's Panchum talking to Discord.
Looking like our characters are actually from different universes.
Wow.
I've had this encounter before with different people from different universes.
What? That's too loud.
Yeah, with gold films and also the iceberg guy.
Oh, that's a
And fan game.
kind of good.
Oh yeah, him too.
I love Kitty Cat Koopaling.
Wow.
Wow, that's
I'm going on coffee break.
a coffee break? Wow, that interrogation was awful. So, thank you for watching a fan of Kitty Cat the Koopaling by Panchum Films. If you like this reaction video, subscribe and share. Goodbye!